Happy Red Nose Day. The store ran out of real red noses, so I had to go with the sticker. But anyway, I'm out running some charity miles for the United Nations World Food Program, the largest hunger relief organization. So I've raised about 4 or 5 meals today so far just by running. But I wanted to say one thing about Red Nose Day. Like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Well, back in 1953, President Dwight Eisenhower started Operation Reindeer that provided Christmas food packages for hungry people in Europe who were still struggling to get over World War II. So that was maybe the first Red Nose Day when President Eisenhower set up in 1953, and that actually led to the creation of the United States Food for Peace program, the single largest donor of food aid around the world. It's a little bit of history there. But anyway, happy Red Nose Day. Have a great day and do what you can today for charity. Hey, remember, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. And I'll see you out on the track.